FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, welcome back to our English speaking practice channel. Today we will practice a very useful conversation shopping in a store. Please repeat after me and speak aloud with confidence. Vocabulary. Teach words with meaning. Shopkeeper, दुकानदार, customer, ग्राहक, try on, कोशिश करें, discount, रियायत. Let's start conversation. Customer, Assalamu alaikum. Do you have sugar? Shopkeeper, Walaikum assalam. Yes, how many kilos do you want? Just 2 kilo please. Okay, do you need anything else? Yes, give me 1 packet of rice and some cooking oil. Which oil would you like, sunflower or canola? Sunflower please. Here you go. Anything more? Also give me a pack of tea. Alright, your total is 1150 rupees. Here's 1200. Please give me the change. Sure, here's 50 rupees back. Thank you. You're welcome. Visit again. Inshallah. Goodbye. Quick quiz. What do you say when you want to know the price? Answer. How much is it? What do you say when you want to pay? Answer. Can I pay by card? Ending. Great job. Today you learned how to shop in English, asking for price and paying politely. Practice this conversation 2 to 3 times today and you will feel more confident while shopping. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.